Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Nissan Armada SL. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 117,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and rear privacy glass.